Before I even begin talking about slides and content, let's go through the interface of Microsoft PowerPoint so that you can become familiar with the terminology, and you'll know right where to go to find the tools that you need. Right up at the very top of the screen is the Quick Access toolbar. This contains features that you'll use frequently, such as save and undo. You can also add features to this by clicking on the pull-down menu and adding any feature that you use frequently in PowerPoint. You can see the current file name of the file that you have open currently, and you can close out of PowerPoint by clicking the X in the top right-hand side of the screen. Directly below that is the ribbon. The File menu is where you can click to go backstage to view all sorts of properties about your document and do other document-related tasks. Click the arrow at the top left-hand side of the screen to go back. The ribbon is a tabbed interface that's categorized by all the things that you could want to do in PowerPoint. The Home ribbon tab are things that you'll do most frequently, such as adding new slides and working on shapes. The ribbon name will give you an idea of what you're looking for, so you'll know where to look for these certain items. If you find that you need some more screen real estate, you can also minimize the ribbon by clicking this arrow on the right-hand side of the screen. It's going to collapse the ribbon. At any time you can click on the tabs, they'll open up, you can make your selection, and it will go away again. You can bring the ribbon back permanently by clicking the push pin icon where the arrow was. It will pin the ribbon back to the screen. A new feature of PowerPoint is that you can tell PowerPoint what you'd like to do, and PowerPoint will be able to tell you what you're looking for. It gives you some examples that you can try. You can start typing plain text, and PowerPoint will assist you in your task. You can also see the current logged-in person of Office 365, and you can share your presentation. We'll be going over how to do that in a later video. Let's move all the way to the bottom of the screen. This is the status bar. It tells you what slide you're currently on, how many slides there are. It tells you if there's any speaker notes or comments in your presentation. You can also change between views, such as normal slide view, which is what we're looking at now, and the slide sorter view. You can also zoom in and out so that you can see your slides more clearly or more far away. You can choose to fit the screen to the current window by clicking the 4 crosshairs in the bottom right-hand side. You can customize this status bar by right-clicking on it and placing a checkbox beside something that you'd like to appear down here, or removing checkboxes from things that you don't want to appear. On the left-hand side, we have the Slides tab. This is where you can navigate through your slides. Sometimes when you're working on a particular task, a new ribbon toolbar will appear. You can click on that tab, and you may also get a new pane on the right-hand side. For example, if I click on this little triangle on the ribbon, I'll get a new pane appear on the right-hand side. You can use the controls that are in that pane, and when you're ready to close out of it, you can click the X on the pane and go back to editing your slides. To move back and forth between slides, you can click on them in the navigation view, and your slide details will appear on the right, and you can edit the text. We'll be going over how to do all of this in later videos, but for now, you know how to get around PowerPoint.